All right, so you guys guessed it. We're python hunting once again. I'm here with the boys.
Yeah.
Oye, no
Alan,
python. Pitón. Estamos en Miami. Pitón. Aquí a frente de los Mikusuki.
This video is going to be a little different. This is going to be the Hispanic version of python.
We're going
hunting.
for lobster and shrimp.
So stay tuned.
The South Florida rat. You guys ever caught snakes?
Yeah. I
No,
went to,
catch them, put them around your neck, play with them.
I did it in Berkeley with like the little pythons.
We're gonna give you a 20-footer.
Get one today, we're not going to kill it. We're going to play with it, and then we'll kill it.
Kill it, perfect.
Yeah.
Nice.
You got to kill them, you can't let them.
Yeah. I know.
You got to kill them. So we're going to go Loop Road, South Loop Road, start there in the concrete, work our way out.
Did they pave the whole thing though?
Huh? Yeah, we're going to do the whole thing.
Okay.
And then we're going to go out to Burns Lake, north, that goes north, or west. Go out west, and then come back, and we'll do Jetport.
Okay.
Jetport, there's a lot of water moccasins. Catch them there all the time. We don't mess with them, just play with them. And then we come back and we'll, I don't know, maybe we'll make it a night. Do Loop Road backwards. Who knows?
That's that.
All right?